Now we are going to solve the second problem in the 8th chapter. So what is asked in the problem? You are asked to calculate the maximum kinetic energy and maximum velocity of the photoelectrons emitted when the stopping potential is 81 volt for the photoelectric emission experiment. Here VO is given. Here VO is nothing but stopping potential. You are asked to calculate the maximum velocity and maximum kinetic energy. Here one important key point must be noted here, that I will write it in the form of sentence. Kinetic energy of the photoelectron, kinetic energy of the photoelectron, that must be equal to work done by the as per the theory I am writing, work done by the stopping potential. When appropriate stopping potential is given to the anode, what will happen? The photoelectrons are stopped. Okay. So the kinetic energy of the photoelectrons should be equal to the work done by the stopping potential. So this is a key term. So with the help of this theory knowledge alone, we are able to solve the problem. So here, the kinetic energy of the photoelectron, that can be written as half mv max square, that should be equal to the work done by the stopping potential. Its formula is EVO. So this is a very fundamental formula. With the help of this, we are able to solve the problem. You are asked to calculate the, which one? The maximum kinetic energy. This entire factor to be calculated. And then VO is given here. So first we will calculate the maximum kinetic energy of the photoelectron, that is K max. K max is nothing but half mv max square, which is equal to EVO. So here you need not bother about this. If you calculate this part, that itself gives you the K max, that is kinetic energy max. Maximum kinetic energy can be obtained by using this formula. Here the charge of the electron value is 1.609 into 10 to the power of minus 19 must be written, into stopping potential value is 81 volt. So after calculation, you are getting the answer as 129.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. So this is the answer you will be getting. So after simplification, 1.296 into 10 to the power of minus 17 joule you will get. So this is the value of the maximum kinetic energy of the electrons, photoelectrons. So from this particular step, we have calculated the K max. So what is the next one? The next one is about V max. V max means maximum velocity of the photoelectron. How will you calculate? This formula is equivalent to half mv max square. So instead of writing this one, I can write half mv max square can be written. This is equal to this expression. So we know the value, 1.296 into 10 to the power of minus 17 joule is the K max value. What is required? V max is required. So V max square can be written in one side. And what is the rest of the factor? 1.296 into 10 to the power of minus 17. Here this 2 can be cross multiplied. Whole divided by, here m can be cross multiplied here. Here what is m? M is nothing but mass of the electron. 1.296 into 10 to the power of minus 17 into 2 whole divided by mass of the electron is 9.11 into 10 to the power of minus 31 kg. Certain values may not be given in the exam. For example, mass of the electron won't be given. Mass of the electron must be known to you. Okay. Here the entire factor must be squared, only then you will get V max. Okay. So I will write that step on the other side. So this particular step to be squared, to get the V max, what we have to do? we have to write the entire factor within the square. So here after simplification you are getting the value as 259.2 into 10 to the power of 12. After simplification I am writing whole divided by 9.1. Okay, so with the help of the calculator I have calculated. After calculating everything you are getting the answer as 5.337 into 10 to the power of 6 meter per second. So this is the maximum velocity of the electron, photoelectron. Are you clear? So this is the maximum velocity of the photoelectron when it is traveling within the quartz tube. So this much amount of velocity that photoelectron possesses, that photoelectron with this kinetic energy and velocity, that could be stopped with the help of the potential difference 81 volt. Okay, so this is the another answer. So this is the first answer, this is the second answer. Both of them must be found out. Very simple problem. The only thing is, while taking square root, so you have to use the log book. Okay, in examination calculator won't be allowed, so you have to know how to calculate this particular square root calculation using the calculator. Okay.